I can't even show my face today. I can't believe the news. Microsoft bought Activision and Blizzard for $70 billion. Why torture me, Sony? Why couldn't you buy Capcom? Why couldn't you buy Sega or Konami? Jim Ryan is a failed leader. He doesn't know what he's doing. I can't take this anymore. I really can't. I don't want a game on PlayStation anymore. Yeah, I don't want to play on PlayStation anymore. Call of Duty, Blizzard, World of Warcraft, Overwatch. Now I can't see all those sexy Overwatch characters now on my PlayStation anymore. Candy Crush. I can't believe this. This is an atrocious move in the industry. Microsoft should be the one monopolizing the industry. It should be Sony. It should be Sony the one monopolizing the industry, not Microsoft. I don't know why I keep playing on PlayStation, but I don't care. We still got God of War. God of War is going to win Game of the Year. I just know it. Microsoft won't die. But, mark my word, Sony's got something up their sleeves. They will buy Nintendo. Mark my word. Nintendo will be bought.